talking about Augason Farms, founded in 1972 in Salt Lake City and now a leading name in the preparedness food industry. The company is known for sourcing, formulating, and producing some of the most nutritious emergency food products. With a 4.5-star rating on Google reviews, its products are sold at many of the nation's most trusted retailers. And here to tell us more is the president of Augason Farms, Nathan Yearsley. Welcome, Nathan.
Thanks for letting me on.
Of course. So can you tell us a little about the history of Augason Farms and how everything has grown?
Okay, so let's just go back 54 years ago. Phil and Jackie Augason said that people needed help. And they needed help to prepare for all the life's unforeseen events, illness, injury, job loss, blizzards in New York today, you know, whatever it is that's going on. There's stuff that's happening all over, and we don't know when tough times are going to come. And so they started off just helping people with things like milk and wheat and stuff like that, and you'd have to cook your own stuff. But now it is over 100 products, and everything we have is designed to fit the need. And where that food comes from is from the highest, most qualified source. If the best source of oats is from the Midwest, we buy our oats from the best quality oat producers, the best strawberries, the best blueberries, wherever it is, and we bring those together in a dehydrated or freeze-dried form so that you are good. This product is prepared and packaged for 25 or 30-year shelf life.
So what types of emergency foods do you offer, and how are they made?
Okay, so we try to sell something for everyone. So this is a kit. This is a 72-hour kit, meaning that one person, 3 days worth of food, breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Wow.
You can take this, it's designed, you can slide it under the seat of your car, throw it in your trunk, whatever. If you had to get out, you could get out and you would have food. It just takes water and some heat to cook the food. So we have food, we pre-curate these kits. We have fruits, vegetables, proteins, vegan, gluten-free, you name whatever it is, we have food that will support everybody. I would recommend start with a kit. Then add to it, say, well, I want blueberries for my oatmeal, I want to do this, I want to do that. Next thing you know, on our website, you can just get everything it is that you need.
So how would families know how much food they need, and can you customize any of these packages?
So the way that I think about it for myself is I say I typically, in a regular meal, want 3 or 4 servings, depending on how hungry I am. And we tell you very clearly how many servings, how many calories, protein, all these various things we tell you is what is in here, so that you can plan it just like you think when you go to the grocery store. Well, this package gives me 2 meals, and this package I'm going to cook over a week. We have the same information. And then, yes, of course, you can customize. We have kits that are pre-made. You can just go through and grab the various pouches that you want. And in some cases, we'll even send you the pail. We've got a special going on where you make up your own pail, and we send it to you in your pail.
Oh.
The pails are watertight, airtight, they float. In the event of a flood, you just never know what you're going to face.
That's amazing. And where can we go for more information about it all?
Easiest place is to go to AugasonFarms.com.
Okay.
We have everything that you want, pull downs by product type, super easy to understand that the food that you're getting and how much, and it's very, very good. Highest quality ingredients, packaged to last 30 years. And by the way, people eat it every day. It tastes that good.
Well, I'm going to taste one.
Please, they're very good.
And thank you so much for being here.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
We'll be right back.